Y'all listen to me. Y'all listen to me right now. I don't care if the Eagles won. I'm still. It's still. I don't care if they won. It's still Eagles game. I don't care at all. And I want the Commanders. Man, I want the Commanders to put belt to. We gonna see though. Man, what's up, bro? What's up with the sound, bro? Why is it so low on this NFL, bro? Yeah. And I watched this game all the way through. The Rams one. I mean, I'm tripping. The Bills game, I only watched like third quarter, then I fell asleep and shit. And I know, y'all can watch that. Yeah, fuck it. This nigga not better. He not better than Mahomes. He not better than. I'll put him over Lamar, but I don't. Yo, is it? Yup.
Super Bowl ref, our rules analyst with us through the game. From the 45 is Kyron Williams. An explosion inside, and Williams into Eagles territory. Again,
it's like the Rams weren't even.
The third-year man out of Notre Dame. Second and 10.
They had chance after chance, bro. That's what pissed me off. They had chance after chance, bro. That shit was annoying, bro.
See the mark. It's going to be short where the ball was when his knee came down.
They score right here? Hold up. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Man, I'm like, bro. I can't stand these Eagles, but these Eagles gonna lose. I don't like y'all, but y'all gonna lose against the Commanders. Watch what JD do. Watch.
See him almost like a baseball pitcher. He went from way high to low.
Third and 6, 5 options for Hurts. Running out of time. And got him. Slung down.
That's what I like to see. You know, I already seen it. Yeah, the Rams defense wasn't playing bad, bro. I'm just like, bro.
Third and 3. Stafford trying to step up, step into the arms of Jalen Carter, who's ready to throw him down.
They had too many chances. O-line was fucking up too, though. I ain't gonna lie.
Third and 4. They'll run out of it. Big opening.
This nigga right here. This nigga, he was pissing me off, bro. He was making me mad, bro. Damn. Didn't go to the Eagles all of a sudden. You just. Now, I can't say that because that's Saquon, but. Look how this nigga. The look of despair is crazy. Look, yeah, you should feel some type of way, though. That's on you, my boy. This nigga running for his life. Oh, no, that was that went on him. That went on him tripping.
62 yards.
That nigga running for Saquon to get Saquon. Man. Who you think running for his life? You think like he running away, but he running toward? I'm tripping. I just said that in a moment. Nigga, I don't care though. That was crazy. That was crazy. That was some dog shit. You got to take into account, brother. It's snowing and shit, slippery and shit like that. I'm pretty sure this game probably would have went different if the weather conditions was better and shit.
Who's a yard shy of the first down as he's bumped out of bounds by Reed Blankenship. Davis Allen in motion. Williams, he's brought down by C.J. Gardner-Johnson. The safety's presence is always felt.
Head ass. Fuck them Eagles. Let me stop. Nah, I don't care.
The guys won for the books.
Yeah, they don't change. I'm the same. I'm gonna be the same way next season too.
Kevin's got a little space, and he gets through that second line of the special teams tackles.
Get him down, nigga. It's like,
bro. Barkley out. Kenneth Gainwell in. 3rd and 8.
Yo, nigga.
Field goal range as well as Jared Verse. Gets the reaction from the Philadelphia fans.
Jalen not that good to me, bro. You low-key overrated.
He's got a lot of room. Caught from behind by Zach Bond. Otherwise, you get out a long way. That ball comes out, but ruled on the field as it was down. That's a 35-yard line.
That's a crazy take. Me saying Jalen, no, I don't think it is.
Stafford out quick. It's caught. Shy of the first down, I do believe. That one.
You get a little bit of that physical nature on your side.
Quick snap. Williams is stopped again in the backfield. That time it was Josh Sweat.
Yo, Randy, bro. It was so obvious that was gonna blitz. These Rams.
Rams are bringing 5 from his end zone. Out to Barkley. Saquon got there. First down for 20. The safeties came flying up, but Quentin Lake was a step too late. Kenneth Gainwell in for Barkley. And Hurts. Checking down to Gainwell. Past Lake. Took Spates to the sideline. And out of bounds right around the 30-yard line. His 4th year out of Memphis. This play packs a punch. Gainwell right. Good block by the receivers, both of them. Right around the first down. Devontae Smith, Jahan Dotson. His left guard. Hurts.
Bro. Look, bro. He another Lamar to me.
Great move by Hurts as he's pulled out of bounds right around the 45-yard line. From the 46, Barkley inside. Got great blocking again. That's a big tackle as he was ready to start taking off by Christian Roseboom. Barkley had that hand looked at and taped, the left hand.
Nigga, hey, let me chill, bro.
The Rams are going to do pressure-wise.
I'll be just be saying, yo, and the ball came out, yup, but he got back on it. Man, but bro got on it.
They're bringing 5. Hurts trying to find a lane.
Get,
Step up and
yo, throw his ass down, nigga. That's all he do is scramble.
He's down for a minute. He's thrown down by Jared Verse. Stafford from the pocket, going to take a shot for Cup this time. And Cooper goes up and gets it.
Well, Matthew be throwing that rock, boy. He be throwing that ball. But I'm like, bro, y'all had too many chances. Yeah. 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 I said that was good ass run. When I see, I was like, man, that's a great ass run.
Stafford moving out to the left, stops, looks in trouble, and he'll go down.
Sometimes it's too much scrambling these quarterbacks. They be doing. Sometimes it's too much, bro.
Into the wind from 34. Got it. Good solid kick. 3 and out, I should say, on the last drive. Hurts looking in the middle. Man open. It's Goddard. Defender fell down. And Goddard takes off inside the 35. First down to the 33-yard line.
Hate these. I don't hate. I don't like them. I won't say hate. I don't like them though. I don't hate anything or anyone. I'm just saying, man. It's so overrated team. No, I don't like seeing overrated teams, bro. Go far. I just don't. I don't like seeing overrated teams go far, bro. Y'all overrated to me.
Michael Hoyt has blocked 3 extra points this year. He's got a knack for it. To take the lead, Elliott leaking to the right, but he squeezes it in and gives the Eagles the lead. 3rd and 2. Stafford's got a little tell on what the Eagles want to do. Pickup by Williams was nice. The Stafford throw to Nakua. He couldn't complete the act. Couldn't complete. Pickup by Williams was nice. The Stafford throw to Nakua. He
You could have caught that, poker.
back to pass. Pressure into the end zone. That's a safety.
Yeah, I seen that. That was a safety. I like that. That made it 15-16.
It's a 1-point game.
Nickel.
Kyron Williams the back. Stafford securely gets it to him. Williams running.
I'm back and I'm back.
3-yard line.
Just know that. I gotta go crazy. Like
Kyron Williams lost the football. It's loose. The Eagles have it. It's into the hands of Isaiah Rodgers. Down the sideline, Rodgers. The Eagles have it.
I was raging on the inside, bro, when I seen this. Like, bro, it's snowing, bro. It's picking up, nigga. You supposed to be holding that ball like you know they do with Con, nigga. I thought about that. Like,
We just told you the slick conditions, and Williams coughs it up, and the Eagles are in business. Motion by Calcaterra.
this had got the safety, bro.
To the goal line. He's in. Philadelphia touchdown.
After review, the ruling was the runner was short of the goal line. It'll be 4th down. Game clock operator, please reset the game clock to 13 minutes and 31 seconds.
Hurts pushing inside. The wall goes to the end. We have a flag, though. Was there a false start first? We had a flag to kill the play.
False start.
Oh, boy.
Offense number 65. 5-yard penalty. 4th down.
From 23 yards to extend the lead to 4. And Elliott knocks it through. You cannot see the yard line numbers at this point. Stafford, back to pass, throws in the middle.
Boom. I like that. I like that. We had 2 snow games today. That's fire.
Here they come. Picked up for the moment. Stafford trying to get rid of it. Lost the football. The Eagles have it. Off the edge. The pressure.
Nah, you didn't see it.
Nolan Smith.
Man, bro, it's snowing, bro. Like, stop being careless with the ball. I hate when quarterbacks do that. Tuck the ball. Stop being so. I hate that kid, bro. You gotta protect the ball, bro.
Each side. Hurts throws on time. It's
That should be.
by A.J. Brown.
Protect the ball, nigga.
He'll go. Barkley inside. Got stopped. Great read.
I ain't, bro, I swear. I ain't want the.
It sets up
These
14
Eagles,
leads.
bro. I did not want these Eagles to win, bro. But y'all finna lose against some Commanders. Watch.
Good hold again. Elliott. Big kick in the snow for the second straight time. 5 to go. They're bringing that pressure. Stafford throws inside. Deflected. It may have been Oren Burks.
Only if it's wide open do you keep running.
But 118 yards and adding to it. There goes Barkley into the clear through the snow all the way home. He's hit
Nigga,
another.
stop patting your helmet like. What?
And this one might send him to the championship game.
It's talking about some. Stop patting your head,
It
nigga.
happens because Saquon Barkley sets him up here before he bounces to the outside. This is the coordination that we've seen all year between running back and offensive line that has made this team and this running game unique. Beautifully done, great patience by Barkley, and he sets up his offensive line to
Die, Eagles, die. Yes, the station changes to that. Y'all gonna lose next game.
Barkley with 196 yards on the game. Jake Elliott. This is an extra point for the second time tonight. What a pickup. Stafford to Nakua. Darius Slay trying to get the ball out. Puka Nakua taking people with him across midfield. Second and 10.
This was a touchdown or a drive, right?
Is brought in
If
by
I can remember.
Moves out of bounds for the first down for the Rams. 10, Stafford's throw. Stop and come back to the 18-yard line. Is connected. Stafford inside. It's caught by Cooper Kupp. Spinning and turning Kupp right at the 2-yard line. And the Rams hustle to the ball, trying to get this score on the board quickly. Stafford in the middle, caught for the touchdown by. Is that Colby Parkinson?
Yeah, okay, but
and it's a
bro,
one-score game for the Rams at 28-21.
It's a good route. Just uses that big, powerful body to get inside and stretch it out. But that was the code breaker. I mean, you hate to look at it now, but man, maybe if they had gone to it sooner.
2nd and 7.
and they had another opportunity after this. That's what. Look, defense stepped up, man.
Timeout. Up to bring him down. Back at the 20-yard line. Time here. It's caught by Kupp. It's a first down for the Rams just across the 30-yard line. And that gets us to 2nd and 10. Eagles bring an extra man with pressure. Stafford throwing. Broken up by Slay. Darius Slay on the coverage to Nakua.
And now they're having to throw the ball down the field.
Here comes the pressure. Stafford throws inside. It's caught by Robinson for the first down. At the 40.
I think this nigga Stafford threw a pick right here.
95 seconds of regulation.
If I remember correctly.
Stafford shakes the shoulders, takes a shot downfield. It is.
Oh nah. Oh, I remember that catch though. That shit was crazy. I was like, what? Shit made me. I was like, damn. That shit made me jump up a little bit. But on this drive, I think he threw a pick on this drive. I'm like, and I was just like, bro, Matthew, bro, y'all could have been up. Oh no, I want a pick. It wasn't a pick. I forgot. He had to throw it out. Yeah, I think he had to throw it out. Yeah.
Philadelphia to the championship game. Howie Roseman's big free agency signing, and the Philadelphia Eagles are back home next.
I still feel the same way. It's still Eagles, K. I don't care. Y'all not beating the Commanders. Y'all know y'all not. So we're going to just dead that right now. Y'all not beating the Commanders, and y'all know y'all not. JD gonna go crazy. Please, man. I do not want these Eagles in the goddamn Super Bowl, bro. Come on, bro. Please. Come on, JD, bro. Come on. Show them I keep playing the same way. Hey. Rams had this game, man. Like, they had too many champs. I bet you the goddamn Commanders going.